I've made a different video before, and it's like my voice is like, okay, it's like it sounds like I'm like whispering or something.
Yeah, I was like that on my one video, my shorts. I had to turn up my volume like almost all the way to hear it.
Yeah. Okay. So today we are going to be showing our squishies, like almost all of our squishies we have. Like, we're not gonna be showing like every single one.
We're going to be showing our favorites.
Yeah, we're going to be showing our favorites. We also have some other squishies that we're featuring my big sister. She's my favorite sister, not going to lie, but she like actually does a lot of things for me. And
You write down my channel.
she's going to write down her channel right now, but like she has 3 subscribers, 7 shares.
Well, that does not matter.
She has like a lot of likes, like she has 10 likes or something, and we are hoping that we get
This
the
is my
diamond
channel.
Yep, we hope that we get the diamond play button, and then we're gonna like be like unboxing some squishies that we like.
And like, no comments. We don't allow comments. You don't have to say no comments, girl. It literally doesn't allow it.
And allowed.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah. I meant to say featuring my big sister. She's my favorite sister and everything. She's also a YouTuber.
As you've seen.
Yep. If you guys see our videos, like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe to mine too. I've made a lot of them already, but all right, let's go ahead and
get started. So first, we're going to be showing our brand new dumplings.
Wait, and her name is also Jess.
Yes, Jess.
So
let's get started. I feel like we should show our dumplings first, our new ones, and then
Yeah.
we should show. And then you should show your other ones.
Yeah, like.
Wait, should we just like go from like oldest to youngest, youngest to oldest? Like
I think we should go like youngest to oldest since I have the least squishies.
So she's going to show her squishies first, and then I'll show my squishies.
I only have 4 squishies, but
I have
3 dumplings, 1 cat squishy.
I have
So
7 squishies. Wait.
It looks orange, but it's pink. Okay, guys.
It's pink. Hold on. Wait. Let me get my light a little closer. Wait. Does this help?
No.
That does not help. Why did it look like that?
Here, turn your light off for a second.
No, that's not gonna help any. Makes it look worse.
Sorry, guys. We're having like a little trouble right here.
Technical difficulties. This is pink. Pink.
Yeah.
It's like a hot pink.
Guys, look at this. This is gonna be so weird, but
We can see its guts.
look, it's so funny.
Okay, put my phone back.
Sorry, guys. She has her phone, her very like own phone. Sorry. Trying to like make it all
Technical
fit.
difficulties. Just show it like one by one.
I know. I have 3 dumplings and 1 weird freaking squishy. Like, bruh.
Okay, well, open up your squishies and show them.
Yeah. So first, this is our new one.
I'll hold these for you. We'll move them aside.
Yep.
Oh, no. New one.
Sorry, guys. We're having some trouble difficulties.
So
we can get this purple one, this white one, rainbow one. We can like get any color really.
Not any color, but like some colors.
Yeah, but like what we really want to
She's
get.
gonna show you her.
I really want to get this one or this one because it says, "Will you find the super rare golden or rainbow dumpling?" And I'm like, "Oh my god!"
We did not. That's all I'm gonna say.
I like kind of my sister actually thought I got it, and I'm like, "Okay, do you think I got it?" She's like, "Yes," and I'm like, "Nope." And it says, "Do not eat it."
I've been
triggered. I actually was like really mad that we didn't get it, but are you guys ready to see it? And 3, and 3, 2, 1. I got a green one.
It's cute and all, but like,
Yeah.
it would have been cool if we got a different one.
Yeah. But
Alright, well, move on to the next squishy.
it also has like some like blush on it and everything. It's like really sticky too.
It's like sticky because it's new though. It's
Yeah.
not like slime sticky. It's like brand new, can stick to the wall for now. but like
Yeah.
won't stay forever.
Yeah.
Show me a mini one now.
Yeah, I will.
Because this one keeps bothering me. It's like annoying me.
Yeah. I have 2 more dumplings to go. 1 down, 2 more to go.
And then a cat squishy.
Yeah. And then a cat squishy. But are you guys ready to see this one? This one is not new. My last 2 are not really new.
And 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. It's a
This
pink,
one does not
it's
have a
pink.
face.
It's like light pink. It's a metallic one.
Yeah, it looks like orange. It kind of looks like orange in actual, but like this one does not have
It's
a face,
actually
sadly.
it makes really good noises.
Yeah, and let me.
Okay, no, I'm not gonna. Candace, I also have to show mine. We're already like 6 minutes in.
Five
Not
minutes.
actually, but it's like
Yeah, but like,
it's so close to 6 minutes. Okay, this
and then
cat squishy. You already seen it already.
yeah, it's like really weird. See,
I'll get the rubber bands off for you.
and then we have this one that never wants to close. In 3,
2,
1, go! This one does not have a face.
It's also like hard to squish for some
Yeah, it's
reason.
like it's
the filling. It's like different.
yeah, like
Oh my god, I got such a huge tan. Like my skin looks so different on camera now.
yeah.
My tan, bro. Look at this.
Oh my god.
You can just see a straight line. It's like when ocean meets sand.
Yeah, like it's like so hard to squish, but like you can barely squish it. So like yeah. And then
Okay, my turn.
wait.
No, these are mine. These are mine.
I think this is popped.
It's not popped.
Ah!
Oh my god, stop. People are going to be wearing headphones and then they're going to hear you scream and they're like, I don't want to be subscribed to her anymore.
Sorry guys if I scream. That's just like a fun.
That's
funny
just her mentality issues.
thing. Excuse me.
No yelling. Stop, help. I need somebody help. Alright, no more. I'm going to show mine. Okay, so I only have 1 dumpling squishy, but my other squishies are really good. So let's get started. This is my
She
first.
did have another dumpling, but then
it popped.
like yeah, it popped out of the store where
so
dice were.
Let's show you our dumpling. My dumpling, I should say.
Yeah.
I got this one today. It's really nice. Are you ready? It's like the same. It's the same kind she had, but different color. In 3, 2, 1. I got a pink one. It's super like cute and it's easy to squish. But like, look at this. They messed up the face a little. This is what makes it cute. Like this eye's like more oval and this one's more circular. It's like cute. It's easy to squish. I did like my other one better though, cause it was like, it didn't have a face, but it was orange. It was like a bright orange. I miss it. I really miss it. It was my first one. But then again,
Wait, this is
what
mine.
happens? Alright, next up, I'm going to show you my, it's not a Nido, but it's like a blue ice cube squishy. I also got this at Kroger. If you've seen my video, you know what I mean by also, but I also got this at Kroger.
Kroger.
But yeah, it's like a Nido texture, but like, it's not as hard as a Nido. Like, yes, it gets harder like on impact, but like it's not just like a Nido. Alright, next up, if you watch Afmal, then you know what this is. But I got a little Afmal squishy. I squished it so much I lost one of its eye. But it's a Oreo ice cream cat. It's super cute. It's got like water on the inside. Like, look at this. Wait, where's the camera? Right here. It's super nice and stuff. I like it. Alright, next up, I'm gonna show you my cats. So this one's a little bit newer, like not newer, but my mom found it while she was working. It's a mini one. Like, look at this size comparison. It's a little like broken right here, but it's not like popped, or at least not yet. At least, we got
There's a cherry.
a cherry.
Yeah.
I don't know. Right here. It's not like popped. All right, let me show you my other squishy. It's also a bright orange if you can't see it. I got purple one. It's like hers, but like look at the inside of this, bro. Listen to the noise. It's such a weird texture now because I've had it for a while. If you got the fat cottage cheese, imagine putting it inside a balloon and then squishing it. That's how this feels. It's so gross. Then I have this pancake squishy. It had Orbs on the inside, but I matched up all the Orbeez. It's kind of big. It's like, I'm gonna squish it like this since it's kind of bigger. It's got a little butter on top. It had a face, but like, we played it with this so much that it disappeared. Like, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? It's got like some glitter inside it too. Listen to this. ASMR.
But I said you don't do ASMR.
I don't whisper. I don't do ASMR. I do ASMR. I have a video so you can like learn it step by step. And then last but not least, I have a cheese squishy. This one, it's got a lot of air in it. I think that's how it's supposed to be, but like it's kind of good because like you can see the insides a lot easier. So yeah. Pop. It's also kind of big. It's like really big. I'm supposed to like this a bit, but this one you can get it at Five Below if they still have it. You can get this at Five Below and stuff. You can also if they still have dumplings there, you can also get dumplings at Five Below.
Yeah, there's a whole time like there's 2 full stashes of them. Also at Five Below, there's a thing at them. It's kind of like in Fairborn only, I think. But if you go to Five Below, behind the registration area or something, like where you like go to like check out something, not like on the actual like store checkouts, but like whenever you go to Walmart and like check that area out, but it's like on like it's like behind the people, like you know how they like have the things on them, because like if they whenever they do, they have the dumplings. They have some dumplings behind there too, so you can go there to get some too.
If you watch my video, if you're already subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, then you should know what this is, because this is like my first actual video. So you should go and watch my video so you can learn how to draw this step by step. The hearts are optional. I feel like I just had a cute little touch. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe on the channel.
Don't forget to view it.
Make sure to get your friends, your family, mom, dad, sister, brother, uncle, cousin, niece, nephew, grandma, grandpa, anybody you know. Try to get them to like and subscribe to our channels. Anyway, that's it for today, guys.
Even if you barely know them, still just at least try.
I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it. Bye.